All right, guys, so with our big safe promotion that we have going on, we have been getting the questions. When you walk in and you look at this particular safe, it says, ask why it's so expensive. So we thought we'd make a quick video just explaining it. This particular unit is by American Security, and it is a very expensive safe. A few things I'd like to point out on it is, the first thing you're gonna notice is how the whole locking mechanism is offset over to the left, and that's for a reason. What that does is it's going to allow for better security and a lot better lockup on the locking mechanism. Additionally, we have put into this particular lock, we've upgraded it so that it has not only a Tier 1 digital lock, but you also have a backup mechanical lock. So I know sometimes when people come in, they say, hey, I want a digital or I want a mechanical. Well, the advantages to digital is quick access. The advantages to a mechanical is if should there be an EMP or your electronics or your battery go dead, you can still always make the unit work by getting into it mechanically. So it just takes a little longer. All right, so what we're gonna do is go through and open this one. This has a soft touch entry, so it's very easy to open. This particular safe weighs in just at under 1 ton, so they're about 2,000 pounds, very heavy safe. And you're gonna notice a few things about it in particular. If I can get you to kind of scoot up here and look. So what we're gonna first notice is this is kind of the composition of a lot of safes where you have a thin outer layer and then you have your fiberboard, and most often you don't have an inner steel layer. It's usually just either carpet or painted fiberboard. On this particular unit, the door itself is a 1/2 inch of steel with concrete behind it. And if you look over at this particular display over here, and we're actually gonna go over to this one where you have about a 1/2 inch of combined steel just under in the whole perimeter, plus you have that light concrete in the behind or in between that as well, which is going to make this a lot more fire retardant and also a little bit harder for someone to cut into or break into. Additionally, it is a lit safe from the factory. Also, what you're gonna find on this is it's very modular, so it's very easy to pull these out, and then you can pull those out and make it for rifles in each of these areas. That same conversion will take place. So you can kind of make it work for your needs based on if you have more rifles, handguns. If you're a person that's putting a lot of cash, gold, silver, that type of stuff into it, this is probably the safe that you're gonna wanna look at just because it does such a great job of protecting those valuables that are really hard to insure, cash and gold and silver being some of those. Hope this helps out. We'll talk to you all soon.